The Odatay Kids Microscope offers a versatile magnification range from 100 times to 1,000 times, enabling young scientists to explore intricate details like insect wings and plant cells. Equipped with a 2-megapixel camera and a 2-inch IPS screen, this microscope provides high-definition visuals, ensuring vibrant and detailed real-time observation. Designed with portability in mind, its compact size and lanyard make it easy for children to carry, while the rechargeable battery supports extended outdoor exploration. The microscope's multifunctional capabilities allow for photo and video capture, and it can connect to a computer for enhanced study and sharing opportunities. 12 additional slides featuring diverse subjects like plants and insects add educational value and excitement, making learning a fun experience. This microscope serves as a perfect gift for curious children, blending entertainment with education and sparking a lifelong interest in science.